maybe the most important thing is to be paranoid in the way that how we can bring more value and improve the product or service.
Learn. Keep on, given the rate of change, this is the way you need to be all the time now. Reinvent yourself every day. For me, is create your own business and be very, very humble.
For me, this is the first time I'm attending this kind of session, so I would take it as an inspiration to grow higher.
I think it was very interesting to understand that when you walk into any situation, don't go with preconceived notion. Keep your mind blank, learn, understand, act and react.
Good session. I need to catch hold of you for my start off.
Awesome session. I think the learning was keep peeling the problem right till you get to the core of the problem.
Some of a new business with starting from zero was a good thing.
So lots of notes. I think the key takeaway for me is to figure out ways in my business which can make me feel uncomfortable, but it's growth direction.
I'm taking away my office out of Bombay.
I'm following you and love the way that you kept on trying multiple things until you hit upon what you really wanted to do. So that was a great thing.
It was a great session. I think there were a lot of learning, not just one. But I think one thing which I liked the most was that people like businesses which are more transparent and flexible. They want to be open, and so that was one key point I could take. Another good point, two good points were like I think the people are changing, the market is changing, consumers are changing because because of technology, because of internet. And I think we should be it is important that we keep trying, keep making mistakes, and get to new things.
One key takeaway which I got from him is to be fearless in whatever you do. You get too much into your comfort zone and you try to make it too much guaranteed outcome kind of a thing. What I probably understood from you is that you just have accepted not to have any guarantee and move on. Probably then you can see success. Great.
Step
Inefficiencies.
try and remove inefficiencies at every possible step for creating a successful product.
We talked about the big disruption technology is going to cause. Now, what I also think is, you also need to focus on smaller disruptions that you want to create within your own company, within your existing brick and mortar company also, and probably, look at that. Probably I cannot change my business altogether today that something will happen 5 years down the line. But can I disrupt enough to be ready for that challenge? I don't know.
Kunal, I love the way you peel multiple layers on every problem, especially consumer behavior. So I'm going to try and ingrain more of that thinking since we are also a consumer focused in their business.
To be fearless and live life like a kids and be youngest possible.
Yeah, my key takeaway was you keep on experimenting, try on new things. Whether you fail innumerable times, keep on trying. And how you scale your company to a fast growth is how much you control people's behavior and how much people can brag about your product.
My takeaway is be shameless, fearless, and ready for change.
Okay, for me, being the second generation entrepreneur, very important growth versus protection. So I have been stuck in that rut of protection, but to either keep my father or my uncle's hand.
But then I think whatever points that you have put across, I need to meditate more on that, how it will be applicable to my industry and my way of work flow that I have in my organization. So definitely I will meditate more on it and come back to you on this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.